Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to EA English Production. Today we are going to do 11 cards of business English terms. When we are going to speak English in front of our client, we are official and working in office, or we want to send message to someone in an email, we want to reply, we want to talk about the appointment in the office, or about booking a room, confirming a reservation, delivering business files, complaints, business. We have a lot of things to help you out. This lesson makes you polished and has an importance. So let's get started. Whenever you want to say about the appointment and you are not going on that exactly, you are not sure, or you are not going according to the routine, you cannot keep your appointment, you can say, I'm afraid I won't be able to keep the appointment I made for Friday 17th June. That's very simple. So let's proceed to the next slide, which teaches you about the delivery. When the delivery is delayed, so you might regret in the beginning of the sentence, or you wanna regret, or you wanna say sorry. It's most important thing to regret in the starting of the sentence. You might say, I regret to inform you, we are sorry to inform you that your delivery will be delayed. For example, you call, you don't have balance, so the client, your company says, sorry, your balance is insufficient, or you cannot make this call, or sorry, the number you have dialed is on another call, please wait, or these are the things that we use in officially. The next slide would teach you about appointment that is confirmed. This is to confirm the appointment we made on. So this is what we start our sentence discussion. Okay. Whenever you wanna meet someone, or you want to be sure that we'll meet soon, so we might say, we look forward to hearing from you soon, we look forward to seeing you soon, we look forward to talking to you soon. It's really important sentence. The next sentence teaches you about when you want to confirm a date, or you want to fix or appoint time. You might say, please confirm whether if the doctor available on 2nd of June. What do you say about 2nd of June? My mind says 2nd of June. In my mind, what I say is that my available time, I'm convenient, this is feasible for me on 2nd of June. Well, when you want someone to reply you in the office, your boss, your friend, your colleague in the office, or you are working in a hotel, or you're working somewhere, you are talking with your client, you might ask, would you kindly reply? Would you please spare a moment to reply? I'm sorry to inform you that we are waiting for your reply. So this is a very simple way, not simple way. Never ever use simple way like reply me, please reply. We may add something that is important one, that's called formal English. In this slide you will learn about how to say thanks, or after the favor that has been made, you might say them, I would be glad, or I would be grateful for this. Grateful, like I would be thankful to you also. अगर किसी से फेवर लेना हो या कोई काम, I would be glad, I would appreciate it, I would be pleased, I would be happy, it would make me glad, it would be my pleasure. Okay, if you want a favor from someone, you might use these expressions. Whenever you want appointment, or you have given appointment, and you are going to suggest the time, if is it better for you or not, like should this not be convenient for you, these are the starting line you can add by asking their suggestion. What do they say, what their mind says. So this is the suggestion or proposal of the time you are going to propose them. So he would say yes or no, or fine, or I'm afraid, sorry, this is not, I'm not available. Like these words might be helpful for them to reply, but for you it's helpful for you. You might ask them, should this not be convenient for you? by texting it in a line, and you can ask them your suggestion in different categories. So whenever you're gonna inform them something good, you must be pleased, you must be glad, you must ask, we are pleased to inform you that. We are pleased to inform you that your report is out, your test result is negative. We are pleased to inform you that you have got a baby girl. We are pleased to inform you that you have passed the test. Formally, you must say, we are pleased, we are glad, we are happy. We are pleased to inform you that you have passed a test. Instead, some people directly say you have passed the test. That's very simple and not interesting, or you are not interested in his, like it's his personal life. So that's why you wanna say you have passed, or you have got a baby girl, or your test is negative, without using we are pleased. So we are pleased to inform you is really important thing to add in the sentence. Whenever you want something on rent, or you want to book hotel, you might say or ask or request, I would like to book something like hotel room, or reserve. I'm looking for a suitable hotel near the station. I would like to hire a car. I would like to book a room. I would like to reserve a room. So these are the things you can ask them in these manners. Whenever you want to book, reserve, rent, hire, you might use words I would like to. That means चाहता हूँ, करना है, मुझे ज़रूरत है, मैं करना चाहूँगा. I would like to book a car. I would like to reserve a room. I would like to hire something that you want. Okay, whatever you want, you can ask. For a month, for a night, for a day, for 5 days, for a week. What about I would like to book a car, I would like to hire a car, I would like to reserve a room for 1 week. So how much do you charge for this, including all board? All board mean खाना पीना नहाना, bathrooms, ये वो जो भी है, सफाइयाँ, वो ऑल बोर्ड में शामिल होता है. कि एक ऐसा होटल जिसमें सिर्फ 4 दीवारी ना हो, बल्कि आपके साथ डीलिंग्स भी हों, आपके खाने पीने भी वहीं से आते हो. दैट्स मीन्स ऑल बोर्ड, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल बोर्ड. I would like to book a double room for the month of August 2002. I need an air-conditioned room with a bath and shower which faces the sea. I should be grateful if you would confirm my booking as soon as possible. Please give me an indication of your rates per night, including full board. सब कुछ उसमें शामिल हो, खाना पीना. Whenever you want to inform, you might use, we are pleased to confirm the accommodation you described for the month of August 2020. We are pleased to confirm. So starting जो है वो बहुत important है. जब कभी भी आप किसी से खुशी की बात उनको शेयर करना चलें, चाहें तो we are pleased, we are happy, it's our pleasure to tell you, we are pleased to inform you, we are pleased to confirm, we are glad to confirm, it would make you happy to know. So these are the things that you must use in the starting. Thank you for your letter of 5th April 2020. This is the first line when you are going to reply someone. With reference to your inquiry of 5th April 2020, we are writing to confirm you. You are going to tell them the quotation. Quotation mean मुकम्मल अशिया की जो डिटेल्स होती हैं, इतने में, ये इतने में, ये इतने में, जैसे इनवाइस होता है वो आप लोगों की शॉप में होता है. और दूसरी चीज़ जो आप लोग टोटल चीज़ों के रेट बता रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से, जो आप मुनाफे के साथ, वो टोटल और डिटेल्ड कोटेशन कहलाती है। कोटेशन बोलते हैं रेट लिस्ट जो होती हैं। We are pleased to submit you a detailed quotation whenever you are going to email or send on WhatsApp the list of something that is telling them the prices of things you have. You might write, we are pleased to submit you a detailed quotation. We have the player in enclosing our most recent catalog. Catalog like a menu or the things that are with the pictures or with the details or with the names and with the prices. That's called catalog book. It's like a booklet, like a magazine, or something that is showing like display expression of the things that you want to sell. That is a you might say also brochure. You might say it's like a exhibition of your things. ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप बेचना चाहते हैं उनकी एक लिस्ट होती है, कैटलॉग, जैसे हमने लास्ट स्लाइड में पढ़ा। कोटेशन होती है आपकी, या ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप उनको बेचना चाहते हैं उनकी प्राइस लिस्ट की जो प्राइस होती है। Your order goods are out of stock but we can offer you a substitute. मीन ऐसी चीज़ जो आप, वो चीज़ आपके पास नहीं है, ख़त्म हो चुकी है, बिक चुकी है, या आप बेचना नहीं चाहते, या आप उसको छुपा रहे हैं, बेचना नहीं चाहते, तो आप उसके बदले उसको कुछ और सजेशन दे रहे हैं कि आप ये नहीं, उसके बदले ये ले लें, तो ये मौसर होगा जो आप लिखना। So the goods come with a 2-year guarantee. चीज़ें 2 साल की गारंटी के साथ होती हैं। Our terms of payment are as follows: quarterly, monthly payment. We can allow you a 3 months credit. Delivery will take 3 months. The items are in the stock and should be ready for dispatch by next Wednesday. Please note the address of our office. Order number 2113 will be ready for delivery as from 24th August 2020. We are afraid to tell you that we are unable to deliver your order. जब कभी आप सुने we are afraid, it means we are sorry, और हम माजरत करते हैं। We are sorry to hear that the goods are damaged. जब आपको किसी ने कंप्लेन किया आपने चीज़ें भेजी वो टूटी हुई हैं, तो आप उसके रिप्लाई में ये कह सकते हैं, We are sorry to hear that the goods are damaged. Please arrange for reimbursement of the value of damaged goods. Reimbursement mean के उन्हीं चीज़ों की टोटल कीमत आप हमें वापस कीजिए जो आपने भेजी वो डैमेज थी, एक्सपायर थी, वो आपके इस्तेमाल में नहीं है, आप उसके पैसे लेना चाहते हैं, यानी किसी चीज़ की वापसी करके उसके पैसे लेना रीइंबर्समेंट कहा जाता है। The goods we ordered on 11th March have not arrived. 11 मार्च को जो ऑर्डर दिया था चीज़ों को अभी तक नहीं आई। Have not arrived. The goods we ordered. Please get in touch with our secretary. Please reply without delay by return of post. There is much demand for it. We are interested in your sample. I was given your number by Mr. Fisher. We have therefore decided not to place an order with you. Your prices are not competitive enough. Means चीज़ें आप महंगी दे रहे हैं, हम नहीं लेना चाहते, हमने फैसला किया हम आपसे खरीदे ना. We have decided not to buy things from you. Your prices are not competitive enough. That means you're gonna cancel order. Our order number 100334 has not yet been arrived or delivered. I'm afraid your order has gone missing. फिर से माजरत कर रहा है, और बता रहा है कि आपका ऑर्डर याद नहीं रहा, हम भूल गए या भेज नहीं सके या रह गया है. However, we can offer you a substitute. कोई और चीज देना. Please confirm receipt of the order. Thank you for your quotation of June 1st, 2020. The goods are no longer in stock, out of stock, or no longer available.